presenting the Ford 2019 Mustang GT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM stereo, radio data system, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power driver seat, power steering and power windows. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.